OpenAI says its newest AI model just proved a 47-year-old unsolved math problem, and the quotation marks are doing a lot of work here. Let's slow down and look at what's actually happening. Mathematician Paul Seymour posed this conjecture back in 1979, and it stumped the field ever since. It's called the Cycle Double Cover Conjecture. In plain terms, every bridgeless graph has a set of cycles where each edge shows up in exactly two of them. Sounds simple to state. Nobody could prove it was actually true. 47 years, completely unsolved, until July 10th. That's when OpenAI published a PDF, making a genuinely massive claim. The system behind it is GPT-5.6 Sol Ultra, the top tier of last week's release, the one we already covered here. Sol Ultra deployed 64 subagents, all working in parallel. In under an hour together, they produced a proof. So what approach did they actually use? The 𝗏𝗏 theorem, combined with elementary linear algebra. Relatively classical math, not some hidden black box trick nobody can inspect. Here's why that architecture matters, for researchers and builders both. This isn't code review, it isn't a literature summary. This looks like a real attempt at open, unsolved research, not just assistance. 64 agents exploring different angles in parallel, then synthesizing down to one proof. That's the actual blueprint for serious agentic research pipelines going forward. From AI assisting researchers to AI co-authoring the results itself. That's a real shift if it holds up under scrutiny. Now the honest caveats, and there are several worth knowing. This was not produced autonomously. Unnamed humans directed the process and reviewed every step of it. There's also no formal verification yet. No lean check has been run on this proof at all. Mistral's Leanstral model could, in principle, do exactly that kind of check. It just hasn't happened, not yet anyway. A PDF hosted on a company's own servers isn't the same thing as a refereed paper. Solved is a strong word to reach for this early. The math community will need months to actually validate this result. OpenAI hasn't published the prompts they used, or the exact agent orchestration behind the 64 subagents, so real reproducibility is still unclear right now. Here's the honest read on all of this. This isn't AI solved math autonomously. It's AI functioning as a genuinely serious research collaborator, unlocking approaches human mathematicians might not have tried on their own. That's still a very big deal, caveats and all, and it tells you something about where Sol Ultra actually sits among frontier models. So here's the real question worth sitting with. Does this change how you think about using AI in your own research or work? Follow the 1% mindset for more AI news.